In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Amazon, a task that, while not entirely straightforward due to Amazon's direct restrictions, can be easily managed with a few simple strategies. Although Amazon doesn't accept PayPal directly as a form of payment, there are a couple of effective workarounds you can use to make your purchase smoothly using your PayPal account. First, let's dive into the most common method, which is using a PayPal Cash Card. If you have a PayPal account, you can request this card, which essentially acts like a debit card linked directly to your PayPal account balance. Once you've received your PayPal Cash Card, you can use it like any other credit or debit card on Amazon. Simply add the card information to your Amazon account at checkout, and the payment will be deducted from your PayPal balance when making your purchase. This method provides a seamless experience, as it circumvents the need to transfer funds or use additional services. Another great option is to purchase Amazon gift cards through PayPal. There are several online platforms where you can buy Amazon gift cards and pay with your PayPal account. Websites like eGifter or others offer this service. Once you've obtained an Amazon gift card, redeem it by logging into your Amazon account. Go to your account, find the Gift Cards section, and select Redeem a Gift Card. Enter the gift card code, and the amount will be added to your Amazon balance, ready to use in your next shopping session. This method is straightforward and offers flexibility, as you can decide the amount you want to load onto your gift card. Additionally, for a more personalized approach, you might consider using a PayPal Business Debit MasterCard if you run a business or have a business account with PayPal. Like the PayPal Cash Card, it links directly to your balance. You can use this card anywhere MasterCard is accepted, including Amazon, provided you have set one up through your PayPal account. This choice not only offers a seamless transaction process but may also come with certain cashback incentives, adding value with each purchase. Finally, as you explore these options, it's essential to ensure your PayPal account is verified and adequately funded before initiating a purchase. Always check for any transaction fees or limitations associated with each card option to avoid surprises during your shopping. By following these methods, you can easily manage your purchases on Amazon using your PayPal account, ensuring both convenience and security. So, the next time you shop, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to leverage your PayPal funds effortlessly on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!